All right, in 27 we have a system of 3 equations and 3 unknowns, and we need to solve. So I'm going to just go ahead and rewrite the system here so we have enough room to solve it. So when you're solving a system of 3 equations and 3 unknowns, first thing you want to do is just focus on 2 out of the 3 equations. So let's say we were focusing on these 2. You need to choose a variable to eliminate. Here you could choose any variable you want. I'm going to choose to eliminate the x's. So in order to eliminate the x's, I need to multiply one of them by a -1. So if I choose to multiply this one by a -1, my new set of equations will be the following. Second equation I'm going to rewrite as is. So I'll label this step 1. The resulting equation, when these are added, the x's end up canceling. We end up with 5y minus 1z equals -15. So I'm going to just keep that there, come back to it later. In order to go any further, I need to now take a second pair of equations. So you could choose the first and the third one, or the second and the third one. So let's say we choose the second 2. And again, we need to eliminate the same variable that we eliminated in this first step. In order to eliminate the x's here, I could multiply this second equation by -2. So rewriting that becomes -2x minus 6y minus 4z equals 2. Second equation is 2x minus 4y minus 3z equals 1. So again, I'm eliminating the x's. I end up with -10y minus 7z equals 2. Now I have a system of 2 equations with the same 2 variables, so I'm going to combine those into one system. And in order to solve this system, I need to eliminate one of the variables. So if I wanted to eliminate the y's, I need this to be a +10. So I'm going to multiply by 2. That becomes +10y minus 2z equals -30. Eliminating the y's here, we get -9z equals oops, this should have been 2 plus 1, which is 3. This is a 3. So -30 plus 3 is -27. Z equals 3. So I have my z value. So in order to figure out x and y, I need to go back and do some substituting. So z equals 3, I can take any equation that has a y and a z in it. So for example, this one. So I'm going to call this step 3. Step 4, I'm going to take my z value, plug it into any equation here that has a y and a z. So for example, 5y minus z equals -15. All right, we're going to get y equals -12/5. So I have my y value and my z value. Now I just need to find my x value. That's the last step. So step 5, take the x or the z and the y and plug it back into my original system to find the x value. So up at the top here, we have our equations with x, y, and z. So x minus 2y plus 3z equals 14. So I have x plus 24/5 plus 9 equals 14. 14 minus 9 is 5. And I just need to subtract 24/5 over to here, which would give me x equal to 1/5. So my final answer stated as a point is 1/5, -12/5, and +3.